Hello, stock gurus, and welcome to another episode. My name is James. If you're new to the channel, welcome. What I do here is I invest in the stock market and cryptocurrencies. Now, 30,000 people are watching this channel every day, all the videos, so that's an entire stadium full of people, which is amazing. Hello, giant stadium of people from mostly America. How are you doing? I hope you're having a beautiful morning. It's Saturday for you guys. There is a long weekend this week, so Monday's trading day is going to be a limited trading day. So I was thinking this weekend I'm going to do cryptocurrency. So today I made a video on Bitcoin. Make sure to check that out. You can hit the subscribe button, that bell down there, the thumbs up button on YouTube, those little buttons. The bell, the thumbs up, the subscribe, and then you'll be notified of these daily videos. These are the companies we've been tracking. I was an early investor in Tesla, the company that owns Match Group, the company that owns Tinder, PayPal, Uber. I'm a retired multimillionaire. For the last 10 years, I've been teaching investing with a very specific strategy I use. These are the companies that my students have been following. My students have made more than $1 billion in the stock market now. To become one of my students, take the course www.stockguru.us. It's the Stock Guru Master Course. It's 8-lesson course. You can see it in the description, the pinned comment, www.stockguru.us, and you're going to learn everything you're going to see here. You're going to learn the strategy that my students have used to make billions in the stock market. I've made many multimillionaires, many millionaires. I have students with $30 million portfolios. I have students as young as 6 years old. Alexa, a daughter of Rosie, who bought my course and bought it for a 6-year-old Alexa. And I have grandmas as old as 75, Laurel, and a grandfather, I think John, 80 years old. So everyone can learn this. You can do this from your phone. The charting, the systems that I'm using, the brokers, so the best brokers for you in your country, the buttons and settings to press to buy stocks in the stock market, all using your phone and using cryptocurrency, you're going to learn in the course www.stockguru.us. The technicals that you learn also apply to crypto. These are the companies we've been looking at and making huge gains in. Today, we're going to do a technical video on Ethereum. I made a video today on Bitcoin. I really want you to pay attention to a video I made about Doge. To find that video, type Stock Guru Elon Musk, and then you're going to see a video come up that says, is Elon Musk about to do a mass wealth redistribution using Dogecoin cryptocurrency? Doge is one of the old cryptocurrencies. You need to watch that video. Since I made that video, Doge is already up more than 110% in just under 6 days or 5 days since I made that video, and it's already doubled. So if you put 1,000, you're already at 2,000, put 10,000, you're at 20,000. But you need to watch that video and my theory, and I'm talking to an entire stadium of people, and I highly recommend you check that out. Is Elon Musk about to do a mass wealth redistribution using Dogecoin? Search in YouTube, Stock Guru, Elon Musk, and that video will come up. These are other companies and cryptos we've been looking at. Match, big congratulations to anyone been buying Match since $11 when we started entering. I was an early investor in 2015. Now it's 169. We had huge gains on Match. We had a mega week this week, so big congratulations, everyone. Bitcoin also, if you've been following my videos in July, I made Bitcoin videos at $9,000 saying buy urgently Bitcoin. And today I made another video urgently about Bitcoin. I see imminent parabolic movements coming for Bitcoin, and you really need to see what I mean by that and the potential targets I'm seeing for Bitcoin. You must watch that video. It was on the channel today. Make sure you check it out, and make sure you check out that video on Doge. These are other companies you're going to see me make videos about these nearly every day. Tesla, I follow almost daily. Neo, I follow almost daily. You can follow these videos by hitting that bell, the thumbs up, and the subscription. I've got 33,000 followers that hit today, subscribers, which is amazing after such a period of time. But we're actually going up 1,000 subscribers a day, which is amazing, guys. We just hit 30,000 subscribers like 3 days ago, now we're at 33,000 subscribers. So channel is growing. And if you follow me for a long time, you know how much I love the number 333. And right now we're about to hit 33,333 subscribers as this video goes live, which is going to be awesome. My course is currently $333, the Stock Guru Master Course that you see. After you've taken the course, also make sure you join our chat group. Go to the website chat.stockguru.us. We have a $49 a month chat group with 140 members in there, 16 millionaires that we know of, 6 multi-millionaires, and you're in a 24/7 live chat group during market hours chatting with these students. So this is the price of Ethereum. We go back to the all history of Ethereum. So we're looking at the entire history of Ethereum. We set up the charts. I'm using tradingview.com to get these charts. Ethereum's also, I'm about to hit my target just like Bitcoin. Check out that video on Bitcoin also. I'm using very specific indicators here. You can use thousands of different indicators on tradingview.com, and there is many strategies you can use. You can spend years learning this, but I use very specific ones that I've perfected, and that's why I have so many students, tens of thousands of students. And you can see reviews about the course here, about the Stock Guru Master Course. But RSI stochastic squeeze mob, the way these work, when the RSI and stochastic above the dotted lines, it means this asset is currently overvalued. Below the dotted lines, it means this asset is undervalued. So right now, Ethereum on the monthly candlesticks is very overvalued. It just went into the overvalued. Same with the stochastic, and the stochastic seems to be turning to head down. Squeeze mob is still very green and heading up, indicating further upside for Ethereum. It's still green and heading up. Stochastic is still heading up, but very overbought right now. RSI heading up, very overbought, but huge volume coming into Ethereum the last 2 months. Massive amounts of volume. Volume predicts price. What is volume? Volume is the number of shares or stocks or cryptocurrency being traded. So in this case, it's the amount of Ethereum being traded between people. So here you can see huge amounts of Ethereum being traded during the cryptocurrency boom and bust in 2017-18. And now you can see massive amounts of volume coming in. But what's amazing is the volume has just started, but the price has already gone from 800 when we started talking about it, 812 to now $1,800. My targets are actually $2,400 that we have for Ethereum. The reason we got those targets back when Ethereum was close to $1,000, we got those targets of 2,400. The reason we got those targets is, I'm going to show you. The reason is this is a cup and handle pattern. If you know technical analysis or you'll learn it in the course www.stockguru.us. A cup and a handle is forming. Once a cup and handle forms, usually a cup and handle forms, explodes to the upside and it moves the base of the cup. So that base was quite a huge movement, and that was the targets we got here for the target of 2,481 for Ethereum, and it's playing out that way. Let's zoom in closer, 1 year down there. So each time frame, we're like kind of being like Sherlock Holmes. We're zooming in and we're studying what's happening. You're going to learn how to do this. I know I'm talking very quickly, but you'll learn how to do this in the course, www.stockguru.us. Also in the description, the pinned comment to get access to the course. $333 lifetime access. It's better than any stock or cryptocurrency or anything you could invest in. It's a lot of students take this course, tens of thousands of students, and it's changed many lives. I've made many multi-millionaires, many millionaires. I really recommend you take the Stock Guru Master course. I'm here to make these videos to get you to take the course so you learn everything you're seeing here. I don't want to give people fish. I'm teaching many people how to fish. That's the goal. That's the reason I create these videos, so I can give financial freedom. I saw too many people gambling with their money and not knowing what they're doing, and I wanted to really reform education when it comes to investing. So volume picking up for Ethereum. Stochastic RSI still heading up very strongly. Squeeze mob green, all indicating we're going up more. However, it is very overbought right now, as I told you. Above the dotted line is overbought, so that means you need to dollar cost average. That means split up your capital that you're going to put in Ethereum and DCA. But it does look like Ethereum is going to come close to hitting this first target that we got out of this wedge. So the target is 1,939. We got that by doing this. See this ascending wedge? Usually gets tight, and explodes out to the direction, the base of the triangle, which is what happened. And most of you caught a movement from 1,200 to now 1,800. So big congratulations on that. Stochastic RSI still massively heading up, volume coming in, still indicating we're going up. However, it does look like it is going to try and come down first to this support line. Could come down here, bounce off there, and then keep going its movement up. If it does come down, it's got a very strong support, and I don't think it's going to come below that support. And that support is at 1,743. It could turn down. Volume is still really strong though. Volume predicts price. However, stochastic RSI is still heading up, and they are overbought. So it's either going to come down to 1,743 and bounce off there, and then keep going up, and then break go to its target of 2,400 in the long-term target. And that's what it is going to do, I believe. Don't short Ethereum. Don't try to catch this little movement down here and miss the overall massive trend of Ethereum, which is massively trending up. Who's your best friend? It's the trend. The trend is your friend, and the overall trend of Ethereum is massively trending up. So do not ever go against your friend, the trend, this trend. Do not try and get these little movements down and go against your best friend, these little movements down and go against your best friend, which is the overall massive, the trend. The trend is your friend, so don't go against it. So stochastic RSI all heading up, volume coming in. It could come down to 743, bounce off there, correct, and then keep heading up. That's what it looks like it's going to do. Let's zoom in now one more time. We start off all time, we started doing 1 year, and now we're going to 3 months. Now each candlestick is going to be 1 hour in the market. And now we're going to see what's going to be happening for Ethereum for today. It's not a trading day. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. It's running 24/7. But what is about to happen to Ethereum today, that's what we're here to check out. So to me, it looks like, is there any major pattern? No, but I do see a kind of trend line forming. Let's draw it in. There's a point on the trend line. There's a point on the trend line. So that's a kind of trend line that Ethereum is following right now. Let's make that color blue. And we can make it, we turn on magnet and it goes into place easier. So we can get exact better targets. That's the trend line that I'm seeing for Ethereum climbing. Volume is coming in, and it looks like Ethereum is bottoming out on the stochastic and the RSI. It's got a very strong support line here. very strong at the 1728. So that will be the support line, not the 1743. This one here, 1727 is the major support. But to me, it looks like it's about to bounce off this support trend line. Stochastic is almost oversold, turning to head up. RSI is still coming down, but it can turn. Volume is picking up. It is trying to find support right now on this this support line 1796. It is holding there. That's a very powerful support line. Volume is coming in. So to me, it's more than likely stochastic going to head up, squeeze mob going up, RSI is going to turn up, volume coming in. It's going to start heading up again. And over the next 2 days, it's going to first hit the target 1866. And there is a trend line that I'm seeing here on the upper end that we could draw in. This one, see it? Or we could even do it there, because that's got more touches on the line. So we're trying to touch as many points on the line. I know I'm going quick. I know it's a lot of information. You need to take the 8-day course, www.stockguru.us. It's the best education you can buy yourself. It's financial freedom. So you can buy whatever you want, do whatever you want, live in opulent villas like this, travel the world, go to an ATM machine and withdraw however much money you want, have coconuts by the pool over there and just chill in amazing sunset and just have abundance. And that's what I teach in the course. I teach mindsets of abundance as well, how to have multiple millions of dollars, how to do whatever you want in life. I teach this. The main key is that you need to, if you ask all my billionaire friends, my multimillionaire friends, they're going to all tell you abundance comes from the mind first. So it looks like Ethereum is doing this right now. And then usually when these two come together, we could expect some explosive move up. So let's draw that trend line further and see what happens when they join. So it could play out like that, actually. Ooh, if that happens, it's very powerful. If it keeps climbing up there, and then it depends. It can either break out two directions. We need to see as it comes to that top, but it can either go and break down, or it can and to the base of that triangle. But we just use these right now as just trend lines. We don't need to predict that far ahead. To me, it looks like stochastic is heading up. RSI is going to turn, volume coming in. I think it's going to hold this support 807, turn and head up. First target 867, second target 1950. Let's put in that target, and that would be breaking its all-time high. It's already broke its all-time high today. Big congratulations if any of you followed me the last a month ago and bought big Ethereum at $800. You already doubled your money plus. So big congratulations, everyone. So those are the targets for Ethereum. Stochastic heading up. RSI is going to turn to head up. Volume needs to come in. First target 1862, second target 1934. Then that's the upper end of the trend line. Then we have to see what happens there. It can do a few options. It can go like this, hit that, and then come down, and then keep its direction up. Or it could do this, or it could just go parabolic. So we're going to keep monitoring it. So hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned a lot. Those are the targets for Ethereum. It does look like it is going to turn to head up. First target 1867, second target 1934, and then we see what happens to Ethereum next. To buy Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see in the description the pinned comment to my recommended exchange, Binance. If you are American, or some countries do need to use a VPN to access that that exchange. So this is James from Stock Guru. I hope you have a beautiful day. Check out the video on Bitcoin today on the channel. It's very important. And again, I really recommend everyone watch the video, search in YouTube Stock Guru Elon Musk, and the video is going to be is Dogecoin, is Elon Musk about to do a mass wealth redistribution using Dogecoin? Check out that video. It's very important. This is James from Stock Guru. Have a beautiful, relaxing Saturday. Be really present with your family and friends. You're not guaranteed tomorrow, so really enjoy your time with them. I want you today to stop having any negative thoughts when it comes to abundance or money. Every time if you think the thought, oh, this is expensive, or I can't afford this, or stop. Realize it's okay. You're having a negative thought about money, a non-self-serving thought, a destructive thought. Throw them away. And replace those thoughts with, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money just flows to me. I am the banks of a river, and money is water that flows through me. I'm a current and a conductor for money. Money flows to me, and my goal and my job is to distribute it out and find places to feed villages, feed people, give money to people. I am abundant. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I do everything from relaxation, and money comes to me in relaxation. I don't have to work hard for air. I didn't have to work hard for money, and I don't have to work hard for water, other way around. You get what I'm saying? Also, you know many people that worked hard their whole lives and they don't really have abundance. There needs to be abundant thoughts, and you can kind of see people straight away. I can feel it straight away if a person's energy is very takey and a lack mindset, or abundant mindset where they're just overflowing. And I'm giving you this information, this energy, and this kind of knowledge now through these videos, and I've been doing it to a stadium full of people every day, which I'm very proud to be doing. This is James from Stock Guru. Have a beautiful trading day. Be really present and with your family and friends. You're not guaranteed tomorrow, so really enjoy each moment. Stop, relax into your body, and just enjoy the day. And I hope you like this video. Check out the video on Bitcoin. Make sure you hit the subscribe, the bell button, and the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos, and take the Stock Guru Mastercourse, www.stockguru.us, to learn a lot about these things. This is James from Stock Guru. Have a beautiful trading day, and I'll see relaxing day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.